Hey you guys, today in math we are going to do lesson 99, which is adding and subtracting whole numbers and decimal numbers. It's actually pretty easy. When we add and subtract decimal numbers, we have to line up the decimal number. No matter how many numbers are in front or how many numbers are in the back of the decimal, we have to line up the decimal number. Remember, if there's a number and there's no decimal attached to it, it means it's a whole number. So you put a decimal point at the end and you can add zeros or whatever it is that you have to do. So, for example, if I have 6.2 or 6 2/10 is how we really say it, plus 3 plus 4.25. Remember, when you add and or subtract decimal numbers, you line up the decimal. So in this case, I'm just going to start with 6.2. 6.2 plus 3. 3 is a whole number, so it goes underneath the 6. I add a decimal number. I can put a 0 so I can add it up. And 4.25. 4.25. This looks kind of weird. You can still do it, but just add zeros if you have to. It looks nicer. And then you just add as normal. So 5, 4, bring down your decimal point. 6 and 4 are 10 plus 3 is 13. My answer is 13.45, or mathematically we say 13 and 45 hundredths. Okay? You try it. I'm going to give you 24.6 minus, not add this time, minus 8. Go ahead and do it. If you haven't finished, pause right now and then restart, but I'm going to do it for you. So 24.6 minus 8. 8 goes underneath the 4. I'm going to add a decimal and a 0 just to make it look nicer. And then you just subtract as normal. 6 minus 0 is 6. Oh, bottom bigger, better borrow, top floor next door. 14 minus 8 is 6. And then I bring down the 1. So, oh, I forgot to bring down the decimal point. 16.6. If you got that, you know what you're doing. If not, let's do one more just because. All right, I'm going to give you 4.3 plus 2. Go ahead and do it. Hit pause if you are not done so I can go ahead and get started. All right, 4.3. 4.3. 2 is a whole number, so I'm going to put 2, add a decimal, and my 0, my addition symbol, and I'm just going to add as normal. 3, bring down my decimal point, and 4 plus 2 is 6. My answer is 6.3 or 6 and 3/10. You guys got it? Today you're going to do Bob. I love you and I miss you. Have a great day.